So here's a griddle set by JORTINE. This is the carrying case, which all of these items fit in there. So you got your tongs, you got your scraper, you got your spatulas, your other spatula to flip fish, and you got these to make circle shapes and heart shapes. Anything you want, eggs, pancakes, cut out bread, or even your hamburgers. You got your salt and pepper shaker. You got 4 little hooks, one for each of these. You can hook them up and hang them on the side of your griddle or your barbecue. It's pretty nice. You got these 2 bottles. You can put anything you want, your barbecue, oils, ketchup. You got skewers, 100 skewers, bamboo skewers. You got your scraper to clean your griddle. You got your rubber brush to put on anything on your hamburger, steaks. And you got an apron, pretty nice apron. And it has pockets in the front as well. So that's everything you get in this griddle set by JORTINE.